here is that Canadians are still feeling the pinch in their pocketbooks.
This is an Alberta emergency alert. Yellowhead County has issued a wildfire alert. Mandatory evacuation. The Hamlet of Evansburg and the area directly south of the hamlet located north of Highway 16 in Yellowhead County. The Hamlet of Evansburg continues to be under a mandatory evacuation order due to fire activity from a wildfire heading northwest from Parkland County in the direction of Evansburg. Residents of the hamlet and the affected area south of the hamlet must evacuate the area. Residents in the Hamlet of Evansburg and the affected area should register at the Wildwood Hall in Yellowhead County or register with the Yellowhead County Emergency Information line at 1-833-334-4630. Go to www.facebook.com/yellowheadcounty or county.ca for updates. Check 511.alberta.ca for updated highway closures.
Basis that things are simply more expensive and they can't afford what they were able to